How to make money with your smartphone in the year 2026. In this video, I will explain in details how you can make use of your smartphone to earn money without stressing yourself, without even creating a product, but you can still make use of your smartphone to earn money. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get more details on how you can earn money with your smartphone. This video is for secondary school students, 9 to 5 workers, graduates, undergraduates, full outside, because this business does not have age limit. So make sure you watch this video to the end to get details on how you can make use of your smartphone to earn money. This business model is called affiliate marketing. I know some of you have heard about affiliate marketing but does not understand what affiliate marketing is all about. In this video, I will explain in details what affiliate marketing is all about. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is recommending or selling of people's data product to earn commission. When someone buy a product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is recommending solution to your audience or friends. When they get access to that solution, you earn a commission. In affiliate marketing, you don't need to have your own personal product. You don't need to take record of the product stock. You don't need to import a raw material to create a product. You don't need to deliver a product. Your own is just to promote the product, and when your audience buy this product, you earn a commission. That is what we call affiliate marketing. Let me explain in details for you guys to understand. Affiliate marketing is about connecting product creator or manufacturer to connecting product creator and manufacturer with consumer. When consumer buy that product, you earn your commission. Example, let me say someone want to know how to create a flyer, a banner, a if an business card, a lot of things, and you have a graphic design course. You can recommend that graphic design course to that person. When that person get that product, you earn a commission. And in affiliate marketing, you earn 50% commission on each sales. You earn 50% commission. It depends on the product you are promoting. Some products are 15% commission, some are 60% commission, some are 70% commission, some are 75% commission. So any product you promote has their own commission. So let me break it down. Example, maybe you recommend a product that worth 20,000 and the commission is 50%. That means your commission is 10,000. If you are able to generate like 10 sales, that is 10,000 times 10 sales is 100,000. Affiliate marketing business is a win-win for both affiliate marketer and the manufacturer. Why this is a win-win? When affiliate marketer promotes this product, affiliate marketer earn money and the manufacturer, the product creator, earn money. Is a win-win for both of them. And the funnest part of it is that affiliate marketer can earn more than product creator. Why did I say so? Because affiliate marketer has access to promote different kind of products at the same time. Affiliate marketer can decide to promote 5 products, different products. Let me say example, one product is like the commission is 10,000, 5,000, 20,000. If you calculate this together, affiliate marketer will earn more than the manufacturer or the product creator. So that is what we call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is about selling product. But this product is not your own and you are earning a lot of commission. And apart from any commission, this manufacturer create a sales channel where they will give you target, and if you are able to meet this target at so days limit or month limit, you are going to get an extra commission. Some will say money commission, some will say you are going to get a smartphone or a laptop or you are going to get a paid trip, or you are going to get a car. So there are different price you can get in this sales challenge. So can you see that affiliate marketing is the best business you need to start right now? Because affiliate marketing does not has age limits. Even though you are a secondary school student and you have access to smartphone or internet connection, you can start affiliate marketing and you earn a lot of money. Even though you are a full housewife, you can register and become an affiliate marketer and earn money in your comfort zone. What you need to get started: one, you need a good smartphone, internet connection, a little capital, and also you need 1 to 2 hours of your time. So that is what you need to start affiliate marketing. Before you can have access to all these products I'm talking about, you need to sign up on an affiliate platform. And in this affiliate platform, you have access to a course that will train you, that will teach you everything about affiliate marketing, that will teach you different skills that can make you successful in affiliate marketing business or your own personal business offline. So I'm going to talk about NSP. The best platform you can join right now is NSP, and NSP is doing 2 years anniversary, and also they are doing a discount as a beginner. If you want to start affiliate marketing and you want to join a platform, you can join NSP. So when you sign up on EarnersPay, you have access to affiliate marketing for beginners. In this affiliate marketing for beginners, you have access to understand everything about affiliate marketing. You will learn about content writing, video editing, how to create a landing page with sales funnel. You learn about graphic design, video editing, copywriting, and a lot of IP data skills you get in this course. And also you have access to lifetime mentorship where you'll be able to ask questions from top athletes. So if you want to get started right now, you can earn a lot of money through affiliate marketing without even stressing yourself, without even resigning. You can still be going to work and still earn money. You can still be going to class and still earn money. And what I love affiliate marketing about, it does not have age limit. As far you have access to smartphone, you can start affiliate market, and as far you can read and write, you can start affiliate marketing. So affiliate market for beginners on NSA registration, the registration before is 10,000, but due to the promo that started on first, second, third March, on first, second, third, so you are going to pay 8,000 to get access to NSP. And when you sign up on NSP, you have access to your affiliate platform, and also you have access to affiliate marketing for beginners course. So if you are interested to start affiliate marketing right now, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link to register. And also if you want to send message to my WhatsApp, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link and then send a message to my WhatsApp. This is a great opportunity for you to start affiliate marketing because you are not even stressing yourself. You are not stressing yourself to create a product because these products are already made by someone. Your own is just to go to the marketplace in the affiliate dashboard and then look for a product to promote, and then you earn a cool money without stressing yourself. So this is a big opportunity for you in the year 2026. Now things are very easy now. It is very easy for you to earn money online with just your smartphone without even resigning, without even waking up and say I want to resume to your work or I want to do this. As far you have access to smartphone, you can start affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link to register and then get access to your course and go through the course and implement whatever you learn the course. And then if you have any question to ask, send a message to me and then I'm going to respond to you. So I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and thank you for watching. God bless you.